Hello everyone, this is Kumar here again from codingscientist.com. Alright guys, so in the previous lesson you learned how to recognize your face with a mesh, with a dotted mesh. Let's extend that particular project into this video. So what I'm going to show is it's a pretty fascinating Raspberry Pi project that basically performs a real-time facial emotion detection. That means if you are happy, the system is going to, the deep learning model is going to recognize and it's going to say that you are happy. If you are sad or if you are, in a different kind of facial mood, it automatically detects. So the emotion detection along with facial landmark mesh drawing using a CSI camera and Python programming. So what makes this project especially interesting is that it uses a lightweight emotion recognition approach based on geometric facial features and of course the MediaPipe FaceMesh landmarks, making it highly efficient for real-time embedded edge AI application. That is the physical edge AI I'm talking about. So let's first understand the core technology behind this project, guys. So basically, the MediaPipe is an advanced open source framework developed by Google for real-time AI perception tasks, right? So as I mentioned earlier, it provides highly optimized models for face detection, hand tracking, pose estimation, facial mesh generation. We can also build a face recognition system as well. So one of its greatest advantage, the MediaPipe's greatest advantages, is that it runs efficiently on a lightweight devices like Raspberry Pi or ESP32 or even Arduino. By extending some of the boards, Arduino can be used, and Jetson Nano, NVIDIA's Jetson Nano, of course, and enabling a high-speed AI processing directly on the edge device without depending on the cloud servers. Remember, guys, the beginning of the session, the first lesson, what I told you, the power of embedded physical edge AI. You don't have to depend upon any kind of cloud servers. So everything is run locally on this rig, and you own the data, you own the program, you own the code, you own the hardware, you own everything. So there is absolute security, high data security and stuff like that. So now let's move on to the code screen. Let me just walk you through probably at a high level section, but before that, so this is my rig. Before I run the demo, I just want to make sure that you guys have similar stuff, or if you are using some other hat, you can also modify it with a pan tilt camera system. You can use any kind of pan tilt. So I'm just facing the camera in front of me. Now let's move on to the code screen. So how many lines of code, guys? This is about 108 lines of code. Wow, that's not pretty big, but yeah, I can just walk you through section by section. Now at the beginning, we basically import Pi Camera 2 for accessing the Raspberry Pi CSI camera, right? And then for opening for OpenCV for image processing, and display the MediaPipe FaceMesh for facial landmark detection. And we use NumPy for mathematical calculation. The heart of this particular project lies inside the classify underscore emotion function, right? So that's, you can see it here, where we are defining the classify underscore emotion landmark, right? So instead of using heavy deep learning emotion classifiers, this system takes a lightweight geometric approach. First, the Eludian function calculates the distance between facial landmarks, and then the program identifies important facial points such as eye centers, eyelids, mouth corners and lips using MediaPipe landmark indexes. To ensure a reliable measurements across different face sizes and camera distance, the system basically normalizes all the measurements, like the width of the mouth, opening of the mouth, the eye opening, now comes. And after that, if I scroll it down, this is where your actual stuff goes on. That is the intelligence part. So using simple and adjustable threshold rules, the program basically classifies the emotions. For example, a wide open mouth and a large eye opening indicates surprise, okay, and a wider mouth with a moderate opening suggests happiness. So small mouth and reduced eye opening may indicate sadness or anger. Now this model needs significant amount of training. We got to keep running the program again and again for a specific face, because it definitely differs from a human face to face. Otherwise, the emotion is classified as neutral. So one major advantage of this particular design is flexibility. Since the thresholds are adjusted, developers can actually fine tune the system for different users, lighting conditions, or applications need, right, based on the use case. All right, now let me share some interesting real world use cases for this particular AI application. Imagine a smart classroom or meeting room where Raspberry Pi cameras anonymously, without anyone's knowledge, because it's a small tiny rig, right, can monitor the audience engagement. If students appear confused, tired, or disengaged, the system can alert the instructor to change teaching pace or interaction style. Similarly, an interactive art installations like digital displays can react emotionally to visitors, smiling when people are happy or changing mood when surprises is detected. So overall, in summary, this project basically demonstrates how Raspberry Pi, your MediaPipe, and a lightweight geometric AI can deliver a real-time emotion aware system that is fast, customizable, and practical for HCI. Now, what is HCI? It's human computer interaction and edge AI innovations. So, everything is running on this particular rig. Believe it, it is going to be totally on local. No cloud servers, no high-end AI application, no cloud, data centers required. You don't have to depend upon Google GCP or AWS or Microsoft Azure. Everything runs on this particular rig. All right, so let me show you a quick demo. I am logging into my Raspberry Pi through VNC. Okay, so I have logged in. Now let me open up my terminal. Right, this is my terminal. Now I need to open the main directory. Sudo python 3 squiggly / AI lab kit / MediaPipe / MP stands for MediaPipe _face _emotion .py. As soon as I hit enter key on my keyboard, a window is going to open, and I'm just sitting right in front of the Raspberry Pi camera on the pan tilt mount. Let's see what happens. Okay, there you go. So it says I'm surprised. Let me just drag this window so that you guys can see. Right. It says my face is surprised. Neutral. Surprised. Let me remove my glasses. So my face is always surprised and neutral and happy. Yeah, see, can you see? The emotion basically, it changes. Okay, good. So guys, this is a pretty short demo, and in the next lesson I'm going to show you how we can use a deeper level of applications using similar kind of methodology like the way what we used in MediaPipe. Until then, see you. Goodbye.